Good morning and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Good morning and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin and we're here. It's actually Thursday morning here in Buffalo, New York, in front of a sellout crowd here at the largest mini dental implant training center in the country. We have over 100 doctors and staff here for this 2-day advanced program, actually 3-day because my brother, Dr. Sam Shatkin, will be doing the 3rd day on Botox. So how many of you are taking the Botox course? All right, so a bunch of you are sticking around. I don't know if there's more room or not for anybody else that might want to, but I think I can probably twist my brother's arm to let 1 or 2 more people in. If you really want to come and stay, we'll see what we can work out. But on this Monday Morning Minute, I want to say it brings me a lot of sorrow to say this. Dr. Joe Gillespie has been lecturing with Shatkin F.I.R.S.T for over 20 years. Dr. Joe has been a dear friend to me and to us at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T for a long time. And it's come time to renew our AGD PACE accreditation. And as the director of the Dental Implant Training Center, it's my responsibility to make sure that every person that is on my faculty is in good standing with their dental license, and we have a rigorous protocol that we follow to make sure we select instructors and teachers who pass our requirements. So unfortunately, I'm very saddened to say that Dr. Gillespie will no longer be lecturing with Shatkin F.I.R.S.T or with the International Academy of Mini Dental Implants. He no longer meets the credentials required of our training program. And so with that being said, I want to wish Joe the very, very best in his future endeavors. And thank you, Joe, for many years of service to our dentists and our community.
Hi, I'm Fitz. I want to explain something that's going on at the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T laboratory that is unbelievable. What is it? It's our new Allure Restoration. We've been working on this product for over 2 years in research and development, and it's finally come to fruition. And boy, are we getting a lot of great feedback from all our doctors. This is, with the help of Dr. Terry Journo, we use a Xantex, and we use a brand new product from Ivoclar called Amberino. And it's a beautiful, beautiful, lightweight roundhouse restoration. Keep in mind, the lab procedure is exactly the same as a zirconia roundhouse, either a fixed on 6 or a cemented roundhouse case. It is identical. The only thing that you'd have to request on the lab slip or in the lab portal is that you'd like to try the Allure Restoration. And Dr. Shatkin's going to offer $500 off your first case on the Allure Restoration. So just be clear that you want the Allure, and you'll never look back. It's a wonderful restoration. It's lightweight, and boy, is it strong. If you haven't tried this out yet, which I'm sure most of you haven't, we're having an advanced course now. Everybody's learning about it. Give us a shot. Call Shatkin F.I.R.S.T today at 1-888-4SHATKIN and learn more about our Allure Restoration. It's one of a kind in the world, and we're more excited than ever about the research and development that's occurring at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Laboratories. So call us today. And by the way, have an unbelievably awesome week placing mini and mono implants. You have any questions, don't ever hesitate to call us. We look forward to working with each and every one of you, and we love that you're part of the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T family.